Sewing a gathered seam. Here's how to make it look extra special by sewing an exposed frill seam. It's easier than it looks. I'll be demonstrating on the Tilly and the Buttons Luella skirt sewing pattern. You can also use this technique to attach a gathered skirt to a dress such as Indigo, or even the lower part of a two-piece sleeve such as Marnie. Start by pressing under the raw edge of the seam where the gathering will be, the top edge of the gathered skirt here in this example, by 5mm or 1/4 inch to the wrong side. Press it under by another 5mm or 1/4 inch and pin in place. Edge stitch close to the inner fold. Using an overlocker, serger or zigzag stitch, finish the raw edge of the seam that the gathered piece will be joining, the lower edge of the top part of the skirt in this example, without trimming. Using a contrast thread and a long stitch, tack or baste 25mm or 1 inch above the finished edge. Sew carefully, as this will be your guideline for attaching the gathered piece later. Set your machine to the longest stitch length and a low thread tension. Still using contrast thread, sew 3 rows of gather stitches around the hemmed edge of the piece to be gathered. To avoid crossing the seam line, position these rows of gather stitches around 7mm, 12mm and 18mm, or 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch from the raw edge. Don't back tack and leave loose tails at each end. Find the centre front and back of both pieces by folding lengthways and mark with pins. Now, with both pieces right sides out, slip the piece with the tacked guideline inside the piece with the gathering. Align the hemmed edge of the gathered piece with the tacking on the other piece and pin them together at the side seams and centre pins. You're only pinning 2 layers together here, not 4. At one end of the gather stitches, gently pull the top threads to gather up the fabric until the seam fits the piece underneath it between one side seam and centre pin. Smush and spread the gathers evenly, pin in place and repeat with all 4 quarters of the gathered piece. Carefully turn the garment wrong sides out. Place it on the sewing machine with the gathers facing up so that you can sew inside the loop without catching the other half of the garment in the stitching. Using matching thread and a regular stitch length, top stitch 15mm or 5/8 of an inch from the hemmed edge of the gathered piece. Remove the tacking and gather stitches, and that's it, a beautifully gathered exposed frill seam that adds texture and charm to any look.